If you thought Apple was done redefining the laptop game, think again. The tech titan is back with a serious contender that promises to reshape the future of mobile computing, the all-new M5 MacBook Pro. Launching in late 2025, this machine isn't just another iteration in Apple's lineup, it's a complete reinvention built from the ground up for performance-driven users, creatives, software engineers, and anyone craving unrelenting power paired with unmatched efficiency. Whether you're a developer running complex machine learning models, a filmmaker editing 8K footage, or a remote worker needing top-tier battery life and connectivity, the M5 MacBook Pro 2025 is setting the bar for what the future of laptops should be. Apple is staying true to its minimalist industrial aesthetic, and for good reason. The new M5-powered MacBook Pro retains the legendary unibody aluminum construction, sharp edges, and the signature notch that's become a hallmark of modern Apple design. But don't be fooled by its familiarity. Subtle yet significant refinements are baked into this release. Expect at least one stunning new finish. Whispers point to a matte black or dark titanium variant, finally answering the prayers of users who've long desired a sleeker, stealthier look. The 14-inch and 16-inch M5 MacBook Pros will continue using Apple's incredible mini LED liquid Retina XDR display. And yes, ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate is here to stay. Expect razor-sharp contrast, vibrant color accuracy, and blazing fast responsiveness ideal for digital artists, color graders, content creators, and motion graphic designers. HDR content? Check. Professional photo editing? Absolutely. And with the enhanced GPU capabilities of the M5 chip, every frame and pixel looks as if it's leaping off the screen. Now let's talk about the true innovation, the Apple M5 chip, which is built using TSMC's 3nm-N3P process. This isn't just a spec bump, it's a monumental leap in silicon engineering. Apple claims up to 25% faster CPU performance over the M4, but real-world benchmarks suggest the M5 Max and M5 Pro variants could blow past that with ease. What makes the M5 truly revolutionary is its AI-centric architecture. This chip boasts a radically enhanced neural engine designed specifically for on-device machine learning, automated photo-video editing, real-time speech processing, and AI-assisted development workflows, all done locally, preserving user privacy. One of the standout features of the M5 chip is its efficiency. Apple continues to crush the performance per watt race, and the M5 MacBook Pro sets new records. Even during high-load scenarios like 3D rendering, data science modeling, or multi-app multitasking, the system remains cool and whisper quiet. And, get this, the battery can stretch up to 20+ hours for standard tasks like web browsing, streaming, or editing docs. For heavy-duty work, you're still looking at all-day endurance, eliminating the need to hug a charger during work or travel. The 2025 MacBook Pro lineup is leveling up in terms of connectivity. With Thunderbolt 5 support, users will experience blazing fast data transfers, support for multiple 6K displays, and ultra-low latency connections for peripherals. A win for content creators and game developers alike. Pair that with Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, and you're getting faster and more stable wireless networking, even in bandwidth-heavy environments like shared offices, coffee shops, and co-working spaces. Whether you're uploading massive video projects or live streaming in 4K, the M5 MacBook Pro can handle it without breaking a sweat. Physically, Apple's keeping the much-loved port setup intact. You'll still get 3x Thunderbolt ports SD card, reader HDMI 2.13.5mm headphone jack MagSafe charging audio is also getting an upgrade. Expect studio-grade microphones, enhanced speakers, and spatial audio refinements for an immersive experience, whether you're editing soundscapes or just watching your favorite Netflix show. Apple hasn't overlooked the importance of feel. The Magic Keyboard receives improvements in tactile response and acoustic dampening, a blessing for writers and coders who value comfort during long sessions. Meanwhile, the Force Touch trackpad, already the best in class, may introduce enhanced haptic feedback zones and even better palm rejection, reinforcing Apple's dominance in touch input. Storage configurations are going into overdrive this year. Base models will start at 512 GB, but those working with huge media files or massive app stacks can spec up to 8 TB of SSD storage. Unified memory sees another major jump. The M5 Max configuration supports up to 128 GB of RAM, a dream for app developers running multiple virtual machines, AI researchers, training local models, VFX artists, juggling multiple 3D scenes. Simply put, if you need pro-grade memory bandwidth, this is your weapon of choice. Coinciding with the hardware drop is the rollout of macOS 15, purpose-built to harness every nanometer of power from the M5 chip. The new OS comes with smarter battery optimization, better multitasking across spaces, and AI-powered enhancements across the board. A standout feature: Xcode AI Assist now with contextual code suggestions, intelligent error resolution, and instant UI previews. For developers, it's like having an experienced coder looking over your shoulder. Remote workers will also love the new video call enhancements, including improved noise isolation, auto-framing, and adaptive lighting powered entirely by on-device AI. Security hasn't taken a backseat. The Apple Secure Enclave is still in place, delivering hardware-level encryption, while features like Touch ID continue to offer seamless yet robust authentication. While we're still waiting for Face ID to come to the MacBook lineup, on-device AI handles everything from document scanning to intelligent autofill. No cloud storage needed, your data stays yours. As expected, the M5 MacBook Pro isn't going to be cheap, but it offers substantial value for power users. Pricing is anticipated as follows. 14-inch M5 MacBook Pro, starting at $1,999 USD. 16-inch M5 Pro Max could top out at $4,999 USD, depending on your configuration, but with build quality, macOS longevity, and unmatched software integration, this is an investment that pays dividends over years. Looking past 2025, there are rumors Apple may be planning a full chassis redesign in 2026. Potential upgrades could include ultra-thin profiles, OLED displays with improved energy efficiency touchscreen, MacBook options, but even without that, the M5 MacBook Pro feels like the future. Apple's message is clear: no compromises, no shortcuts, only excellence. If you're still rocking an Intel MacBook or even an M1, M2 based system, the jump to M5 will feel like entering a new era. The gains in AI capability, graphics horsepower, thermal management, and battery life make this laptop an ideal choice for users of the M4 MacBook Pro. The choice may hinge on your need for AI-accelerated workflows, larger RAM options, and next-gen connectivity. Apple is shaping the future, and it fits in your backpack.